I'm Cypher and this is Riddhish Jain. This is our UI for our project. The basic idea of the project is that we are creating web-based platforms for machine learning models. What the models do, they are basically an early stage disease detectors. Like if we talk currently in India, there are so many diseases that can be cured if they can be detected early. Currently we are dealing with these three diseases. We are coming on that. So this is our homepage. It has two sections, models and chat with us. Chat with us sections is discussed in later parts of this video, so let's just come to models. Now we are dealing with three diseases. This is diabetic retinopathy, eye blindness mainly, brain tumor and skin cancer. These are our models. You can just send an image of your eye or MRI scan, whatever that is, and just get the result like how severe the disease is. Before going on to that, we have sections like about and developers. Here's our developer team, and if you want to work with us or share anything or anything you'd like to tell, you can just send a message. And FAQs are for like how do we do it, what data sets are we using in our models, and all that developer questions. Okay, so yeah, before actually going to this testing thing, we have to log in here because you can't access any model if you are not logged in. So before logging, I'm using an incognito window, as you can see. So first I'll need to sign up. Okay, so we have signed up and now we are going to log in. So as you can see, we have signed in into a homepage, and now as we have signed in, we can access these models. So let's try this. So yeah, this is our model window, and you can simply just upload a file here. Under the result section, you will get how severe your disease is. Like in a, it's the result will come in a percentage manner, like 0 to 100. And heat map section, like if you have any doubts regarding a result, like it's a simple question, why will you trust us? So heat map, you can just go to a doctor, you can cross verify it using your heat map. Heat map basically shows what part of the eye, suppose if we are talking about diabetic retinopathy, what part of the eye are we focusing on to detect the severity of the disease. This is diabetic retinopathy. Now brain tumor model, it's a similar thing, you just need to upload an image. And skin cancer. Okay, so working of these is not actually possible on the deployed side because the models we are using there are on our local machine, and we do not have the resources to deploy them currently. But yeah, if we got those, we obviously will do in future. Okay, this is pretty much it. One more thing, these two calculators we have just added in our site, BMI and BFC calculators. These are simple. You can simply access them without logging in. Enter your height and weight and submit, and you will get the result.
We have one more feature, that is chat with us in our website Healware. You can chat with the anonymous people by joining a room. So basically you join the room and there will be one more people with whom you want to talk. Fine. So right now you can talk to the anonymous people. And we can upgrade this feature to work as a therapy session. Like we know there are many people who are shy in person or who hesitate to talk in person about their problems, like problems regarding, we can say, overthinking, sexual dysfunctioning, anxiety issues, anger management, and all this. So basically you will join a room and we will provide you a specialized therapist to talk to you regarding that. So that the problems like this overthinking and anger management and all create a like stress on yourselves, or it affects your mental health as well as your daily routine. It affects you overall. So basically, we will provide a solution to those persons who are hesitate or don't want to talk in person, and it will helpful for your mental as well as your emotional problems.